got it up, got it plugged in, tried to hide the wires. We're gonna do a little bit better job of that. And there's your wreath in the daytime.
You guys ready?
No? So we're about to turn the Christmas lights on for the first time ever at our new house. And here we go. Whoa. It looks better than I thought. Wow.
It looks so good.
We went from nothing being, there's a bunch of other houses already have theirs up, and we went from nothing to having something in our first time wreath. Let's take a tour. I like the blue tree. And there's the wreath. Looks great. I'll go back down there and get another view. That was kind of haphazard right there, but it's not that cold.
I know.